Welcome. In front of me is a KAZAM Tornado 350, and I'll show you how to wipe cache of the device. So we'll start off by powering off the phone using the power key, hold it and select power off once more. Wait for the device to turn off. And once it's off, we'll hold the power key and volume up. So power key, volume up together. Once you see the logo, you can let go of the keys and wait for a moment for the recovery mode to appear. Okay. And from here, we'll use volume keys to scroll down to wipe cache partition. So volume down to go down and volume up to go up. And tap power key to confirm it. As you can see, wipe cache complete, or cache wipe complete. Once that's done, you can just scroll one position down to reboot system now and confirm the power key. And wait for the phone to turn back on. And it will complete the cache wipe. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.